Hello, friends. We are organizing Organized Self Employment Ministry 27th session. In this session, our aim is from the first session only. When I wrote the book Truth Only Trumps in 2001, from 31st August, we want to make organized self employment ministry and budget for the self employment ministry for self earning, self work, certain cash, certain per month swing, because we are wandering for the employment, and by this concept we will be able to stable. So first concept is right of pension should be fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self earning, self income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self employed, self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office. That is organized self employment ministry office. This is self employment government job validity. We have to understand in the organized self employment ministry 27th session that we are 130 crore, and by self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, which the table I have made, we are becoming self employed government servant. And by self employment government servant, we start getting per month fiscal credit salary in our organized self employment ministry office. Now we have to understand that organized self employment ministry and budget is a concept democratically. By that concept, we will be able to link with the all workers, because when we will conceptualize that yes, we are going to become self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, so automatically we will get that fiscal credit stable and we will be self employed, and we not have to wander here and there for work, because automatically work will come to us. Because what is there, when we are wandering here and there, we are not getting. When we are stable at one place, we are getting everything. So I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sarnapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. I am trying to explain the Truth Only Trumps. Truth Only Trumps is my book. It is 218 pages book, and this book I am selling in the market. This book I am selling in the market so that people purchase, people understand, and people develop. This is the 20th edition of this book, Truth Only Trumps, which is trying to explain organized self-employment, ministry and budget. And in this book, I have tried to conceptualize organized self-employment ministry and budget with 6 unborn family. and this is Organized Self-Employment Ministry 27th session. So in Organized Self-Employment Ministry, we have to understand that first we have to make right of pension fundamental right, because when we will start working, every day our work will not be awarded. So we will make the pension as fundamental right, so that the after retirement we will get pension whatever we are earning. For that I have made the fiscal credit table. On that we will set our earning, because we have to set our earning according to that. Like in camera or in selfie we are setting our photo, similarly in that we are setting our fiscal credit salary per month according to the age, and it will increase from 18, 32, 46, 58 year. Then we have to make self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office after 14 years fundamental right. Means for 14 years if we are showing our fiscal credit table in the Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget, we will be making it fundamental right, and after 14 years it will be the pension, the fiscal credit which we are showing per month. So that will be fundamental right, and automatically I have tried to make it in Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget 18, 32, 46, 58 years. 18 years if required, because eventualities cannot be stopped in our life, any types of eventualities. And 32 years, after 14 years, in 18 years we have started our journey. At 32 years it is completing, we start getting pension what we completed on 32nd year. Then from 32 year again we start self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and at 46 year, this 14 years is ending, we will get fiscal credit salary. Now last I am concluding after 12 years, because we have 12 Jyotirlinga. So at 58 years, again at 46 year we will start showing self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. At 58 year we will become fiscal credit salary owner. So 18, 32, 46, 50 year, 14 plus 14 plus 12. This is our constitutional. After that we can start our retirement life. Now it is purely constitutional, because the documents we will sign, it will reach to the parliament, and parliament validity will come, and automatically the money will be arranged, because we will start working. Then we have to make direct link to ministry and budget. This is also very unique concept, because direct connection to the ministry will always give direct connection to the parliament and Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Because what is there, when we are going through via medium, we are not able to get the accessories what should be given. 130 crore people are there. Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget is present everywhere, in every Sadchayat, by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, which I have tried to explain in the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, room number 126. As by the document, by putting Shiv Puran and 12 Jyotirling in room number 1, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad and 12 Jyotir Mandir in room number 2. Room number 3, ISBN, Brahma Saraswati Purana and all the Hindu 12 Jyotir writers, ISBN certificate. My ISBN certificate truth only terms is 8190186002X and copyright number is 954/03/COL. So on that basis, these 12 we are putting Brahma Saraswati, room number 3, room number 4 Adi Shakti Jagadamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, and the 12 Jyotir Mandir document. And then in room number 5 Hindu Varshkrit and 12 Narsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, and in the 6th from here 20 into 5 and then 16.66 into 6 Constitution of India and the Parliament, RBI, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University, Press documents we are keeping, and then joining by putting the pujas 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti into 6, 72 Banarsi Sari and 72 Dhoti, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election ID card, and dividing into 16.66 into 6, linking by Amit Kumar Jha. We all are professional in home also and outside also. 16.66% is doing politician work, and by this concept getting salary of Aadhaar card 16.66%. 16.66% is doing industrial work and getting the salary by Aadhaar card. 16.66% is doing educational, scientist, press work or the legal work and getting salary 16.66% Aadhaar card. And the women are working and they are also getting 16.66% Aadhaar card salary, and the Truth and Non-Violence is also working and they are also getting 16.66% Aadhaar card, and the Constitution of India is also working, means government is also working and they are getting 16.66 into 6. So all are meeting at one point Amit Kumar Jha, and then we are putting the Parliament 750 members parliamentarian Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha Aadhaar card, and then 4,500 MLA and MP Aadhaar card of different political parties. They are also working. In that 16.66 into 6, all are coming. We are making per month fiscal credit, per month SOAR, Election Commission of India, and we are making with Finance Commission of India. We have made in 1950 self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, per month SOAR, Finance Commission of India. Then we are putting making little bit up and down. I have tried to make 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. 30,000 per month above earner. Every year in income tax we are checking before presenting the budget, annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget. And according to that it is finalized that this much, that is 30% of the Hindus in 120 Aadhaar card, and the 70% are per month below earner, little bit down, so that we have to rise high, we have to go above per month, 30,000 per month above earner. So in that circumstances what happens? First, these 6 family leadership is already in the hand of PMO and President and Council of Ministers and all the MPs and all the political parties, which is already there. Document path is made, and in state 4,500 MLA and MLCs, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, leadership in their hand only. By the document path we are signing it by the fiscal credit salary. Fiscal credit salary table I have shown you, again I am showing you. This is the fiscal credit salary table by which we are becoming organized self-employed, because it is like railway table, because on that basis we are able to become the organized self-employed. Now in that way what will happen? 0 to 18 years if it is required, and 18 to 58 years for one and all, because we have to understand that the 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. For that we will make the below 30,000 postgraduate organized self-employment ministry budget institute Shardapur of Hindu 6 unborn family, truth only terms. We will also make below 30,000 graduate organized self-employment ministry budget institute Shardapur of 6 Hindu unborn family, and then we will also make the all India institute of below 30,000 per month earner Shardapur 6 Hindu family, truth only terms. We will try to also document it by making National Institute of below 30,000 self fiscal credits over 6 Hindu family, truth only terms, so that we can be documented, because these all document will make us little bit more strong, because this is coming from the organized self-employment. We have to put the rays. The rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Why? Because these rays have been there. We have to document, and automatically when we will document, what will happen? We will be organizing. We are the sons of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. All over India we are united. Already we are working in the different political party. We are knowing each other. By the organized self-employment ministry document, 12 documents we are teaching of each family. We are already married in different family all over India. We have already reached to 120 crore population. Everyone is doing their work. By the organized self-employment ministry and budget, we are able to get the optional work in organized self-employment ministry and budget. Work from home also starts coming, because validity will start coming. We have become the vote bank of this organized self-employment ministry, which is presenting budget in parliament, like annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry. The control is already coming in the hand of finance minister, prime minister, president, the state finance minister, and the chief minister, so that we will be able to move in the proper direction, organized direction. I have tried to put the date 31st August 1946, as the document is coming from the Clement Italy side from the British Parliament, and 299 members of the Constitutional Committee start doing the work of the Constitution, so that the 33 crore population is organized. From there, if we are setting the documented path from Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5. All the 12 mandir is from time immemorial. We are putting it as a signatory, because they have been blessing us from time immemorial. We will put the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, because all are working in the different direction. By the document system of their representatives, we will take the mandir representatives also, and our pen representative. We are all representing, and from the parliament side also all will give signature, and automatically that will be deposited and it will become law. The 6th family law will enter into our home, and from home on our table and chair we will become self-employed government servant, and we will do Aarti, Bhajan, Kirtan of the 6 Hindu family and their generation. Ganesh, Gandha, Kartikeya, Hanumanji, Vishnu avatar, Shiva avatar, Brahma avatar, all the avatars which we have been following from all over India. What will happen? We are becoming organized. The salary system has started coming up. Fiscal credit salary per month. We can take loan at any time from the organized self-employment ministry on our fiscal credit salary. The work will become optional because from the profit side we will working according to that. Whatever efficient worker we want, we as an efficient worker will get double salary, because on one hand we are linking to the ministry also, everyone is linked to the ministry, and on devoted side we can take their also work. And those who are constant worker from this side also, they are getting constantly fiscal credit salary, because in the race 1 2 3 4 5 6 are toppers, but the rest are constant runner. So automatically fiscal credit salary will give boost up. The command is in the hand of organized self-employment ministry seniors, which is finally in the hand of the Parliament of India, 750 MLAs, all the political party president, and the 4,500 MLAs and MLCs all over India in all the states. What we will get? We will get fiscal credit salary, and forever we will get the relaxation of the irregular income and job insecurity problem, that job is not there at home. And one man, woman, children all can work in that up till 18 years. It is not compulsory, because organized self-employment ministry, if the eventuality is there, because the families are there, they are looking after. But after 18 years in our life, when we start thinking of employment by joining the organized self-employment ministry from the home, purchasing at the government rate the table and chair, we will take the batch of organized self-employment ministry grade 1 to Z. And I have tried to put educational certificate in capital value in the fiscal credit table, because you are seeing the fiscal credit table, it is increasing as our educational certificate is increasing. As our educational certificate is increasing, this fiscal credit salary is also increasing. When the fiscal credit salary is increasing, if we are illiterate, 22% of the people are below poverty line. I have tried to put the wage per day 330, which is fiscal credit per day is coming 165. Salary per month is coming 9,900, and the fiscal credit salary per month is coming 4,950, and in hand per month is coming 4,950. On this, automatically pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance will start coming, and also it can be increased and decreased according to inflation, deflation, boom and repression. And we are also in the control by putting the chair, and the workers can be informed by the ministry methods also, because uselessly wandering for the work, not getting work, and then blaming government will be stopped, because at home we can organize. And if the work is there, optional work, we can do 5 6 10 days. Those who are good worker, they can make themselves transfer to that organized self-employment ministry by self-transfer system, by reporting to the senior regional manager and the zonal manager of organized self-employment ministry and budget. For the signature known, wage per day is 375, fiscal credit per day is 187.50. The salary per month is becoming 11,250, and fiscal credit salary per month is becoming 5,625. So in a hand it is coming 5,625. Pension, gratuity, provident fund, DNS, everything is fixing, and automatically it is becoming pension at 32, 46, 58 year whenever we are joining. And this work is always stable, because we are putting our chairs and table, constitutional validity is being given as we are signing the document through the Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, putting the date 31st August 1946, from where the claimant Italy document is coming, and putting the document by seeing the Rashtrapati Bhavan 66 Rashtrapati Bhavan Angil, and then by house wise. We are making ourselves 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan house wise and 6 Governor House house wise, so that any vote bank do not get bifurcated, because 6 families are precious family. For time immemorial it has been guiding us in the various forms, and hundreds and thousands of festivals we are celebrating. We are doing all types of fast: Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast, Sunday fast, Ekadashi, Dvayodashi, Triyodashi, all types of work. Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, all types of puja, Varshkrit Puja, Rudra Yag, Chandika Yag, all types of work we are doing. So we have to understand 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow we are putting. We are signing the religious representative also, because 6 Hindu family, 5th family is infinitive, Hindu Varshkrit family is infinitive, because all types of Hindus are there with their belief. In that circumstances we are not able to give a concrete shape to that, but it is certain Shiv Shakti worker bhaktas are Shiv Shakti bhaktas, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita, Krishnada bhaktas are Vishnu Lakshmi bhaktas, Brahma Saraswati bhaktas are Brahma Saraswati Bhakta, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Bhaktas are Adi Shakti Jagdamba Bhakta, and each united Varshkrit God and Goddess Bhakta are each united, and Constitution Bhakta are Constitution Bhakta. Now in English we are putting welfare, power, life, money, law, education, family, husband, and truth saviors, and each united God and Goddess. For that we are organizing, because we are seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes this race. We are meeting at the point Amit Kumar Jha documentation, 120 crore from each family, signing the documents, and our 750 MPs from the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are present. They are also signing, and the religious representatives who are looking after this shadow mandir documents, they are also signing. Automatically it is a documented path. And from the state also 4,500 MLA and MLC are with the political party, they are working, they are also signing in front of us, and we are also signing in Sardapur room number 126, and on that basis we are documenting. That documented document is giving to the Prime Minister and to the President, putting in the common hall on India level 1 to 6. We are every day seeing at 7 a.m. at the morning, so that our document is safe or not, and we are in the Rashtrapati Bhavan family from the central side and from the governor, and our Prime Minister and MPs and MLAs are transferring it, and we are the vote bank and the fixed fiscal credit table. This fiscal credit table is our work. If we are getting the double salary in the private sector, it is good, because if we are getting, we are also documenting that, because one family, one Rashtrapati Bhavan is of the industrial and one Rashtrapati Bhavan is of the politician, because we are becoming housewise, because by the government democratic system we are all getting fiscal credit salary, and we are all self-employed worker of the government. So from their eyes we are putting, because claimant Italy document king, and from there 299 members make the Constitution of India, and we started the documented path where our work was not documented. By this fiscal credit table path, like the railway, the employment fiscal credit salary will be fixed all over India. What we can publicly do in the organized self-employment ministry and say to the people, that will be our employment, and this will be our fiscal credit salary, because 30,000 per month above earner will be checked strictly on the income tax level, because we have to maintain the documented path, that whether, and this can be increased and decreased according to the time also, because inflation, deflation, recession and boom can increase and decrease, because 12 month we are moving, and at the election time fiscal credit per month. So Election Commission of India, when it is announcing, at that time we are all coming with a dhoti and kurta for the election, and again we are back to our home. Those who are elected to the parliament and MLA and MP, it is well and good. Otherwise we will start our self-employment ministry and budget by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and we are getting fiscal credit salary from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 126, and on the common visual site where we can see everyone, we can put that document, and we will be always sons and daughters of these 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 6 Governor House. They are unborn for time immemorial. These rays are coming to us. It has the 12 form. One is from the Parvati Dham, that is Power Dham. One is from the Shiv Dham, that is Welfare Dham. One is from the Prabhu Dham, that is Life Dham. And one is from the Mani Dham, that is Lakshmi, Sita and Radha Dham. One is from the Saraswati Dham, that is Education Dham, and one is from the Brahma Dham, that is Law Dham. One is from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, that is Women Dham, and the one is from the Non-Veto Husbands Dham. One is from the Each United Worship God Dham, because crores and crores type of God and Goddess are there, we are worshipping. And one is from the Each United Varshkateswari Dham, the race, that is infinite Hindu God and Goddess. And one is from the Constitution Dham, He government, and one is from the She government Dham, that is Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita. The concept which was given by Abhinavanath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Reddy. So we have to understand and put it in the document form, and we can see from the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847401, room number 126. And this fiscal credit salary, we have put a organized worship between 16 February to 26 February by making the 2 pair, because 175 crore each mandir documents are there from each side. That is 1175 crore mandir. We are sons and daughters of that. So on that basis we are putting at one point, and then putting the power to the Prime Minister and 750 MPs and MLAs and 4000 MLA and MLCs. All are our guiding by the document system. We are starting the worship 16 February to 26 February by 6 ideal, and by puja arti we are putting the ideal in the river Ganga, Yamuna and other rivers. And similarly 31st August to 11th September 6 ideal, puja, Aradhana, Pushpanjali, all types of work we are doing, and after that putting the ideal in the Ganga, Yamuna, all the rivers. Automatically we are making with the help of the soil, giving the shape, colors, and then we are immersing in the river, so that the efficacy of the truthness of 31st August 1946, on which we have taken birth, remains sanctity. And all we have done is said in the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, room number 126. We are documented and we are becoming self-employed government servant. At the 5th pass, I have tried to put 7,500. At the 8th pass, I have tried to put 9,375. At the 10th pass, I have tried to put 11,250. And at 12th pass, I have put 13,125. At graduation, I have put 15,000. Post graduation, I have put 16,875. MPhil, I have put 18,750. DLED, I have put 20,625. And PhD, I have put 22,500. Automatically self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit value. If the value is changing to 20 rupees also or 30 rupees also, mind my words. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 63973607. If 10 rupees is coming from the government side per month, and pension gratuity provident fund DNS allowing in regular way it is coming. We will be always beneficiaries and we will be always moving in that right direction. We have to understand this, we have to sign the document, and we have to respect the documented democratic system which is required in India, so that infinite population and infinite people. This is the uniform table. This is the uniform table, as we have uniform table in the railways fare. Wherever we are going, we have uniform table. This is the uniform table of the educational sector which I have developed, so that we can become self-employed government servant and we can work like this. Annual budget 100 ministry from 1860 it is working, and the raise are coming from there only when we started our constitutional government system. Railway budget is working from 860. Now it is time that we should join the organized self-employment ministry, and budget from 2001 I am working, and it is very comfortable. As much as people will be in the organized self-employment ministry, as fast as our 750 brothers and the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4,500 MLA and MLC, and 29 chief ministers and 1 center prime minister, all will be helping us in that matter, because it is in our hand. The uniform employment will come by our way, whatever we want to. We have 6 dham: the political dham, the politician dham, the industrial dham in the modern setup, the intellectual dham, that can be scientists, legal lawyers, or press, or writers. All types of dham is there, male and female both. Then we have the family dham, that is woman dham. All types of women are there. And then we have the truth savior dham. All types of truth and non-violence are there. And then we have the constitutional dham, that is ministerial dham, that is government dham, the democracies. All are united by one, that is organized self-employment ministry democratic system, all in one. Through the only terms, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar, Darbhanga. We have to purchase this book through the only terms, and we have to demand by as much copy we can sell or we can distribute. This is truth only terms. This is the message of truth only terms which I have written in 2001. As much as we can sell to our colleagues, to our members, by consulting Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, from the room number 126. Truth only terms is the lifetime job, self-employment government job, and we are connected by that, because truth only terms teaches that what work we are doing, what we are worshipping, automatically we are becoming self-employed government servant. And fiscal credit table is helping us. We have to purchase this book, as much circulate to our friends and colleagues, explain about organized self-employment ministry, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, 639736017, as much. Room number 126, the political dham, the industrial dham, the education dham, the family dham, the truth savior dham, and the government dham. Automatically by organized self-employment ministry, we will take our chair and table, automatically we will join, and at center we can open organized self-employment ministry and budget, and automatically in the level of organized self-employment ministry, this postgraduate association, undergraduate association, automatically we can mount. At our age we will be happy, automatically retirement will come, and everything will be uniform. And if we are by the document system we are becoming vote bank, and by putting our chair we can easily start talking about Amiteshwar Jhawad, Amit Kumar Jhawad, and the 6 family Wad, where we all are linked. The rays are always coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. From the 31st August 1946, when the Clement Attlee document is arriving in India, and 299 member starts making the constitution. In that only we have to adjust small, very small organized self-employment ministry, and we will become organized self-employment ministry government. Thank you.